Hi friends, how are you? Hopefully everybody fine. I am Mario Fashion from Clipping 8. Today I am going to show how to channel masking in Photoshop CS6. This is my channel Clipping 8. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for any update from Clipping 8. Okay, now we can start. Please open your Photoshop, click file, open, select your file, which file you want to need edit. I just choose this file and click open. Now need to make a clipping path around the model. So select pen tool, press Ctrl and space, click mouse for zoom. Make your image minimum 300 zoom for create perfectly clipping path. I start clipping path. You can try it. I complete my clipping path. Just double click on working path. Okay. Now click on channels. There are three color: red, green, blue. Green is the best because green is the best because there are here are something black and background white, so we select green. Drag and drop on the box to make a coffee. Press Ctrl M. Adjust the curves. Press Ctrl L. Label. Try to make the background more white and hair area are more black. We also use the dropper tool. Click on the background. Okay, the hair area are look more clean. Click OK. Press L for lasso tool. Press L for lasso tool. Now just select hair area. Make selection just hair area. Select, click inverse. Press D or click there. Now press delete. Foreground color, there are foreground color, OK. Press Ctrl D. Ctrl click on the green coffee. Select, click on inverse. Delete the coffee layer. Go to layer. Make a background coffee. Make add layer. Click on background coffee background layer. Click on new fill or adjustment layer. Click solid color. We marks perfectly our hair area, just there are have some dust. Now try to remove them. Press B. Click on the brush tool. Select the mask area. Press D. Press X. Just paint on the dust. For remove all dust. You can increase the opacity more than 75 or 6 for work fast. Just paint on the dust. Okay, now click on the path and click right mouse, click make selection. Okay, select modify feather 1 pixel 1. Okay, press D Alt backspace. Okay, it's look very good, and you can try it for easily masking any model image. It is very effective and professionally you can done it very smoothly. Hopefully this video help you. Now need to adjust this area for, because there are look it's more. Now just paint on whose area are not perfect. Now just paint to it look more perfect. Now just paint it looks more perfect. Okay, okay, the hair masking is done and it looks very natural and very smooth and very soft. This way you can masking any model images as you want. Thank you once again for watching my video.